Power Factor Improvement and APFC Panel. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are diving into a critical topic for industrial and commercial power systems: power factor improvement and the technology that makes it automatic power factor correction, or APFC panels. Our goal is to understand how these systems optimize electrical efficiency and drive significant operational savings. What is power factor? At its core, the power factor, or PF, is a fundamental measure of electrical efficiency. It is simply the ratio of real power, kW, the useful power that actually performs work, to apparent power, kVA, the total power drawn from the utility. In an ideal world, the power factor is 1, or unity, meaning all the power drawn is used effectively. A low power factor, however, signals that a large portion of the current is wasted as reactive power. The problem: low power factor. What causes this inefficiency? The main culprits in industrial settings are inductive loads. Think of induction motors, large transformers, and magnetic ballasts. These require significant reactive power to generate and sustain the necessary magnetic fields. This demand for reactive power results in a lagging current, which inflates the total apparent power drawn. This excess current increases the load on your distribution system and causes unnecessary heating. Financial and system impact. The impact of a low power factor is felt directly on the bottom line and on your infrastructure. First, utilities frequently impose heavy financial penalties if your PF falls below a specified target, often 0.90 or 0.95. Second, the elevated current translates directly into excessive I superscript 2R losses, or copper losses, wasting energy as heat across your entire wiring network. And finally, a poor PF limits your available system capacity, potentially delaying or preventing you from adding new machinery without expensive transformer or cable upgrades. The solution: APFC panels. The solution is automatic power factor correction, delivered via an APFC panel. These systems are specifically engineered to inject leading reactive power, using capacitors, to neutralize the lagging power drawn by inductive loads. Crucially, APFC panels are dynamic. Unlike fixed capacitor banks, they monitor the load fluctuations in real time and adjust the compensation as needed, ensuring continuous, optimal efficiency. The brain: APFC relay. The heart and intelligence of the entire system is the APFC relay or controller. This is a sophisticated microprocessor-based device that continuously takes measurements from current transformers. It calculates the phase difference between voltage and current and, using a predefined target power factor, instantaneously determines the exact amount of reactive power, measured in kVAR, needed for correction. Mechanism: dynamic switching. The correction process is a continuous loop. When the controller detects that the PF has dropped below the set point, it calculates the required kVAR. It then initiates the dynamic switching process, sending signals to specialized capacitor duty contactors to bring individual capacitor steps online, one by one. This stepwise process is highly accurate, preventing both undercorrection and dangerous overcorrection. Key components. A functioning APFC panel relies on three main physical elements: the APFC relay we just discussed, the capacitor banks, which are the source of the necessary leading reactive power, and the robust contactors, which serve as the switching mechanism, safely connecting and disconnecting the capacitor steps hundreds of times a day as load conditions change. Benefit: releasing capacity. Here is a tangible benefit. By improving the power factor, you dramatically reduce the operating current for the same amount of real power. As shown in this chart, moving from a poor 0.70 pf to an optimal 0.99 pf can cut the line current by nearly 30%. This reduction directly translates into released system capacity in your transformers and distribution lines, avoiding costly upgrades and enhancing the power available for production. Stability and lifespan. Beyond cost savings, APFC systems enhance overall power quality. By reducing current, they minimize voltage drops, leading to superior voltage regulation for sensitive equipment. The lower thermal stress significantly extends the lifespan of all upstream components, including switchgear and transformers. Furthermore, modern APFC panels often incorporate detuned reactors to protect the capacitors and the network from potentially damaging harmonic distortion. Ideal applications. APFC technology is absolutely essential in any industrial environment characterized by highly fluctuating and transient loads. This includes facilities like welding plants, steel rolling mills, large manufacturing press shops, and multi-story commercial buildings. Wherever the load profile changes rapidly, dynamic APFC provides seamless, continuous efficiency. Q&A. Thank you for joining this presentation on power factor improvement and APFC panels. We have covered the fundamentals, the challenges, the technical solution, and the tangible benefits. I am now happy to open the floor for any questions you may have regarding technical implementation or cost analysis.